Mystery Creek official weather forecast, brought to you by the Suzuki DR200, New Zealand's favourite farm bike in any weather. Save $500 for a limited time, now only $5,650 plus GST.
Hello, I'm Philip Duncan from ruralweather.co.nz with your Mystery Creek forecast, proudly brought to you by Suzuki. And our Monday update hasn't changed a lot from yesterday. We're still seeing a lot of high pressure, at least to kick off with on Wednesday. So out to the east is low pressure, that is moving away. Over here is low pressure in the Tasman, that is slowly moving in. But there's high pressure, as you see in the yellow, right across the entire country on Wednesday, which is good for the most part. The only downside with a lot of high pressure is fog. There could be some fog and mist around the country first thing in the morning. Hopefully by lunchtime it's burnt away, and light winds in most areas means it'll be a fairly mild day temperature-wise after a cold start. And speaking of cold starts, as we go overnight Wednesday and into Thursday morning, even colder. -2 expected at Mystery Creek when you wake up in the morning. But again, there's high pressure across the country, but these isobars out to sea, that is the developing northerly. So you'll notice that Thursday night and going into Friday morning will be milder by 4 or 5 degrees. But there is the risk of a few showers on Friday. This is the green that in the heavier blue, the darker blue shows the risk of a downpour. So as you can see around Mystery Creek area, it's the pale blue, which means there's the risk of a shower, but it's about a 30-40% chance. Otherwise dry at this stage on Friday, but these showers will be around east and west of Waikato in particular. And as we go into Saturday, it's the same setup. The low moves in, it's fairly weak, but with that low pressure, daytime heating, and a few showers around, you might find 1 or 2 downpours are possible, but it is still leaning drier rather than wetter. Even if the thunderstorm icon is showing up, doesn't necessarily guarantee one. It just means there's some instability in the weather on Saturday. So you can drill down deeper at ruralweather.co.nz. Click on the rain graph. It automatically comes up actually. You can see it's a dry week. It's not till Friday that we start to see those shower risks, and Saturday as well. You click on the fog and cloud forecaster. This covers every airport in the country. So it doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can check to see if it's likely to be foggy. There is the risk of some fog, possible fog, around Waikato. For this time of the year, that's very normal, but it does burn away quite early, around sort of mid-morning at the latest, hopefully by sort of 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. And then the final one is frost. And this is all for free at Rural Weather. You can see a risk of frost here, especially on Thursday morning, -2, the overnight low, when you wake up first thing on Thursday. So some cold weather on the way, and you can find all of that information at ruralweather.co.nz. And we'll see you again tomorrow with our next update for Mystery Creek.
Save $500 on the DR200. Whatever the weather, see you at field days.